Yeah, my bad, YouTube. I forgot about the live stream. So I'm waiting for these lows to get taken out first. We also have this high here. It's not that important. So yeah, we already have that big expansion. Yeah, pull back to this 15-minute fair value gap, and we sweep these lows. Will be nice. What's up? London high. We also have this big ass opening range gap, so I'm definitely not gonna long up here. If it keeps on pumping up, then we're just gonna sit on our hands. Minute. Tapping the high of the weekly fair value gap. Yeah, I think we can actually expand higher and take out previous week's highs. Rejecting that weekly fair value gap high. I want to see it come back down now. Back on YouTube. Must be a special day. And we do free live streams every Friday. So it's like, let me just go live on YouTube as well. Instead of rejecting that weekly fair value gap high. So I see a smash down, take all these lows. So in 22 minutes, this 1 hour candle is going to close, and we can have this 1 hour fair value gap. So if we come back down into that 1 hour fair value gap, then we can look for longs. I'm glad to see that we're at least moving at the open. Yeah. Again, I'm not gonna long up here. I want to see these lows get taken out, or we at least consolidate down here, manipulate, and then go higher. We don't have any Raffolo news today, right? Okay. Mm-hmm.
Cross 2.5 and 4 is right above at 6, and it aligns up with the 1 hour high, the next 1 hour high.
Okay. Okay. So I pull back to the 1 minute. Oh, sorry, 30-second. Pushing back into the weekly fair value gap high. Tapped it perfectly again, rejecting it. And swept this little high here as well.
How many FTT accounts do you have?
3. I'm gonna full put them today.
I thought you blew up 2 yesterday.
No, I had like 5, so I never traded the other 2. I was kind of saving them, so.
Yeah, you can only request a refund if you were already requested like a payout or something.
Okay, I don't care. 30-second. I like shorts here.
Wait, revised. Revised consumer sentiment.
We had that today?
Yeah,
But last time
I
it
don't
moved a
remember.
lot.
Yeah, last time it was the prelim one, and then this is the revised. I don't remember if the revised one moves.
Is it an orange folder or a yellow?
I think these all used to be red folder, all these consumer, but they changed it to orange, but it still moved. I just don't remember if the revised one moves. Yo, what's up, Roger? When was the last time we had revised? Friday, September 27th. Let's see. September 27th.
So if NQ takes out the side, we're gonna have bearish S&T. I think it's gonna pump through then. Yeah, there's your bearish S&T. If we don't get immediate reaction, then we're just gonna pump through. Good morning to you, Liv.
What's up? What's up? Yeah, let me just see.
Good morning, good morning. Mr. Take the Risk. I think this is the most we have moved this week at the open. Yesterday gave me a headache.
Bro, why is there not data? 27.
Okay, looks like we're gonna take out the high. So since the open, we literally just went straight up, consolidated, rejected this weekly fair value gap high, another push up.
Yeah, I don't know if Revised did anything last time. TradingView just won't let me see like the 1 minute chart. But on the 5 minute there is a wick, so can't really say anything definitely. There's the 4 hour and then there's also -4.
We have almost 100-point range, yeah.
Next is 660 and then the weekly.
Bro, I'm just happy to see NQ actually move. I was so tired of this PA.
Almost 100-point range in the first 15 minutes. Yeah, compared to yesterday, which was like 60.
Last week we didn't do anything. This week all we did is sweat previous week's lows and just consolidate it. I think next week will be good. We have a lot of red folder news, and if today we close above this weekly fair value gap, then we can look for longs to these highs.
Yeah, I mean, if we close above here, we also close above this big 4 hour gap that we've been struggling in for so long.
Yeah, okay, SMT at the highs.
ES does have this LR, to be honest, even on the 4 hour.
Okay, ES is tapping into that volume balance on the daily. Let's see how it reacts here. Macro in 2 minutes. Want to see some sort of manipulation down? Something like this.
Tap the 30-second again.
Okay, so held this 1 minute, this volume balance. ES rejecting that volume balance as well. Macro opening up. What's your level for higher prices? I think we at least take out this high at 659.25. Previous week's highs is also pretty close, but we already expanded a lot. So my target is gonna be this high then. Previous week's highs, which is 680s. I was looking for some sort of manipulation down so we can long. ES starting to stall here after tapping that volume balance. And Q is really strong. Swept this high, bearish SMT. We should literally go lower here now. Unless we just want to pump straight to these highs. Okay, so we're about to close this 15 minute in 7 minutes. We can have this 15-minute gap here. Already got this 5 minute. Okay, so SMT. I'm on NQ, push lower. ES starting to stall a lot. Seven minutes till 10. It's 30-second holding again with the volume balance. Dump it, bro. I got the whole green can on eval. This 15 minute. Bro, I see no entries at all. Like we opened right there. Just push straight up. Consolidated, tapped the 30-second, but I wouldn't take anything in here. Still pushing higher.
I just realized I was muted. What's your entry model, Strobex? Because what I was saying was, when I was muted, like, yeah, like it really depends on what your strategy is for. Like right now with inverses, like I just don't see any entry.
I don't got a model.
30-second. Actually, there's a 30-second entry. I'll be honest.
30-second.
Like it's very bad, but it is an entry.
There was no good entry, bro.
No, it is. Look, they're literally delivering inside of this 30-second, and then we inverse right inside of it. So we're delivering from a 30-second, and then the order flow's bullish. Clear target 604. Stop would be like, I don't even know what the stop would be. Is 16 points? Yeah, 16 points. I don't got a model.
Long time no see. Hey, welcome back, bro.
Yeah, bro. Honestly, like when you said like I trade so much, I get in. Like honestly, on eval, like sometimes I can just get in just based off like how the candle's moving. just because I've been watching the market for so long.
Oh yeah, you don't tell that because of trailing though.
Yeah, Apex. The trailing drawdown on anything is bad. Holy, the stop would have. I didn't see this 30 seconds.
Bro, we're just gonna push straight up today. No entries. There has to be a pullback before we take out this high. Not on days. Bro, it's gonna manipulate some. Okay, let's see. People probably enter long here. Okay, maybe we take out this high, come back down, rebalance 5 minute, and then take out previous week's highs. Let's see.
I mean, I think we'd reject that weekly high. I mean, of course, like, we could still displace above it a bit just to trap more like longs, like breakout traders.
Wait, ES weekly candle is still red. It still hasn't flipped green. And Q's definitely green now.
Yeah, Q's was green last time I checked.
Yeah, next week we got a lot of red folder news. Consumer confidence on Tuesday. GDP on Wednesday. What's this? Core PCE price index on Thursday. So pretty much red folder news on all days beside Monday. And then we have NFP, so we'll be trading Monday.
What the fuck? Is it gonna reject before this high? 660.
Let's see. No, I think we'll just push through it.
This is where you get that big ass candle. It's out of nowhere.
But if we take out previous week's highs, I mean, if we have an SMT, we can go for shorts and shit, but don't really want to fight the trend. Don't do it, NQ. We have about 40 seconds till 10.
Should try to take the high. Yeah, I mean the same thing as yesterday. Remember when I think it was ES was so close to like Asia low, we started pumping up. Like, you know, that's you have to kind of decide, like, okay, like, is this the reversal here? Am I comfortable taking longs, or am I just gonna wait, right? And then, you know, ES just longed here.
Good luck.
Off of what, bro?
Probably just 1 minute.
So yeah, Mike, like I was saying, like,
Oh,
there's the candle.
there's a Drake candle.
Anytime this thing like one tick before it and it goes down a bit, like really slow, it's usually the next candle is like this pump.
About this
There's
15
no way
minute.
to take out the high, man.
No, we're not gonna take it up, bro. Trust me. This candle's gonna reverse.
Reversal comes.
Yo, what's up
Oh,
with
yeah.
NQ, bro?
Just 10 a.m. just hit.
Consolidated a whole week, and now we get this PA where we literally don't stop. push it down. I'm thinking of reversal coming soon, yeah.
We've seen it before. Just big, huge pump, no entries, and then you get a short setup.
The only thing is, after this big move, there has to be some sort of consolidation too. Okay, I think it's gonna take it out. SMT with the ES.
It's way too high to just leave it there. Like the movement is just too high to leave it there. And
there you go.
Taken out. It's gonna be taken out.
Okay, buddy.
Bullish. Yo, Kalal, were you joking or did you actually long? Because I think you type your message as soon as just pass account.
SMT.
Just joking. No, you know, people would actually long there, and the reason they would do it is because, again, like if you've seen this like price action, you know that usually if it's like a tick before and then it consolidates, like some people gamble on this being an order block, so they'll enter right on the close.
It's pretty much a gamble, especially when 10 a.m. coming up too. We could have just wicked down. You could have lost all your accounts.
Oh no, you would just put your stop at like 10 points below the candle. Like you'd basically gamble on it being an order block. Gambling on eval, it's okay. At funded never. Yeah, no. On eval, it depends, right? Like if you have a couple fundeds and then you just have like an eval you're playing around with, like go ahead. I'm done chasing. There's no point to chase, honestly. To be a 5 eval.
Are you trading Apex? Apex. Okay.
Yeah, Apex is easy to gamble because all you do is wait for like, what was it? I think CPI, and then you just long and short on like half your accounts, or you can do like stop. I forgot. I think it's like, I forgot which stop you use. I think it's the opposite stop loss you would use, or again you could just long and short, right? And then you have to have your limit set at like stop limit. Yeah. On Apex it's allowed, right? So you literally just buy 10 accounts and you do 5 one way, 5 the other way. Or if you want to be a little safer, you can do the stop limits.
But why are you guys still trading evals though? Like my funded future has instant funding. We have Tradify, FTT.
Fuck FTT.
Oh bro, let me actually log in and load this account real quick. 20 micros.
Do we get the short setup here? 30-second. 1 minute.
Okay, do you long or short?
I actually wanted more displacement of this weekly high, but I think like I'm just
gonna.
Oh, your FTT account?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know, bro.
Okay. 20 micros longs. Imagine we just reverse here. And what's the max I can make? 500k. So I need a 15-point move, 15-point move.
I mean, if this 30-second inverse is...
There's no stop loss on this.
We're bouncing off this 2-minute.
It's either I lose 1600 or make 400. Is that good risk reward?
Yeah, of course it is.
Oh, well, there it goes. I got two Tradify accounts. They're close to a payout now.
You long, right?
Yeah.
Did your stop hit yet?
No, bro. I have $1,600 in that account. I'm only down 600. Okay, you know what? Let me reverse this. Hold on. Guys, I'm not taking actual trades. I'm just getting rid of this FTT accounts.
No way, bro. I would have full ported this 2-minute on my FTT. That's not a signal, guys. It's just, again, like, I don't want to deal with the headache of trading FTT and then 2 platforms, especially after, like, because of the rule change, right? Like, before I'd be fine with it. Oh, man.
A light trader seems better than trading because it has consistency, so they cap your profit. The goal is to get moved to a live account. The light trader, let's check them out. All right, now I'm just copy trading my Tradeify account and my funded futures.
Wait, what trader?
A light, long 647.
Bro, it's elite, not a light.
Okay, buddy. 647s off of this 1 minute. You can definitely bounce, but looks like shorts here. We sweat previous week's highs. Can short to that little 5 minute. With this bullish order block. I want to see how this 50-minute candle closes. Ooh, these 30-second shorts are looking pretty fire. But I need to see at least a 5-minute candle close down here. I'm not gonna fight that trend on a 1 minute.
Guys, if you look at NQ and ES right now, and then remember last week, I forgot when it was. I think it was on Monday when I streamed. Like the first inverse was a loss because ES didn't. Yeah, ICT dueling PO3 and inside day. The first inverse was a loss on Monday because ES didn't have any good gaps, and then after once they kind of looked the same, they inverse the same gap and then delivered like 50-60 points.
ICT dueling PO3 and inside day. Let's see what ICT is saying.
I think this 30-second inverses.
He's still pointing towards the opening range gap. I don't know what he's saying though. I have muted.
No,
Oh, these shorts looking fire.
Yeah, if ES inverses this gap and then NQ does a 2-minute.
Trying to decide if we're gonna have a trend day. I mean, we already had a pretty big push.
$7.96 or what? What's $7.96? I don't even have an alert there.
796. What's a 796? Oh, this little high here.
Some week high. first 30-second inverse. Now we're pumping into the second one that we rejected before. Again, it's just ES right now. Like ES taps its 1 minute while NQ is trying to break the 2 minute to the downside.
Drop down, that's where smart money's going to buy. I spent my first few years trying to
Rejecting CE. Took that internal high. We might actually get an internal SMT. Tapping this 1 minute again on ES.
I want to see it close below 667s. Okay, nice little candle there.
No, bro, don't close this one.
Tapping this bullish 5 minute.
ES just inverse the 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
It's tapping his 2 minute, took those internal lows.
I think shorting here is trying to cash like high out day and shit. If we inverse the 5 minute, we didn't tap this 1 minute, came back down, swept this low. Barely swept it.
Three, two, and again the 2 minute just holds. Makes sense why it's holding though, because again, like ES is still, it has a 2 minute right under it on the same candle. It's a 10 a.m. candle.
If this 15 minute close like this, we're looking really good for shorts. Come on, down close above. Push down a bit.
I'm surprised you didn't take the 663 entry with those down up close candles.
663. No, but we're also holding this 5 minute. Kind of fighting the trend.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for this. Actually, I don't even know. The 2 minute doesn't look that good anymore. Wait, what are... Because that would have been like... Wait.
We should at least take our 644s. Tap that 15 minute at least. Let's see I react to this 1 minute. Came up to the outer block, rejected.
this too late. Still holding. Even oh wait, we didn't tap. Missed it by a tick. Remember, guys, what I always talk about with supers, right? So there's people who definitely soup this like the weekly high, probably like a limit order, and usually like a 10, like 15 or 20 point stop. So we could still get a manipulation leg, take out those like the SMT, right? Like we could take out those highs, SMT on one of the indices, and then dump. Oh, just give us a SMT now.
30-second close below. Okay, should take us 644s here.
So NQ closed and ES didn't. Interesting.
There's 644s. So he swept all these lows. If we're really weak, then we should literally just keep on dumping instead of retracing up.
Is anyone already in shorts?
Starting to slow down, which is expected after this big pump. Okay, about to create. Okay, another SMT with this high.
Tapping in the 1 minute again, take those internal highs. No NQ, keep consolidating, give us a SMT.
Bro, I don't know if I still want to short though. Daily, okay, so we had that weekly SMT with the previous week's highs. Daily just looks so strong. 4 hours swept these highs. $15-minute, tap this bullish 15-minute. Yeah, for shorts, I'm gonna wait until we inverse the 5-minute. I think everything bullish is holding up right now. And we just inverse this 1 minute here as well. Yeah. And this move down was pretty slow. This move back up is pretty strong.
Super bullish.
Yeah, see, that's why I didn't like shorts. They don't want to fight that trend here.
Yeah, ES was just holding that 2 minute. Even though NQ closed, that's manipulation. Same thing that happened last week, guys. Like, basically the same 2 minute created off of the 10-minute candle. So you could, you know, even though it's not the same chart, it's basically the same because the 2 candles that create the gap are the same time. So when NQ closes below and ES is still closing above, you know, that just makes a 2 minute garbage on NQ.
And look how slow that move down was compared to this move up. If we were gonna go down, we should have let it just straight dump through this 5 minute here. Came back down, started sweeping these lows, instantly displacing back up. IFVG entry. I was thinking about it, but that SMT with previous week's highs kind of stopped me.
1 minute. I think the. Are you talking about that small one, Jason? At 1019. No SMT. Yeah, honestly, ES might just go for its weekly, then give us shorts. Wait, ES is pretty far. Yo, Jason, which 1 minute was it?
It was this one here, pretty sure, at 659s. Yeah, the small one here.
You took that, Jason?
Like if we had previous week's highs above, then I would have took it. But since we already swept all the previous week's highs and stuff.
Yeah, I was gonna say because this 1 minute, the lower one, is just going into this gap that's rejected. I mean, even if you take the 12 gap, I mean, it was up 25 points.
Bro, why do I got a feeling we're gonna dump now? After trapping longs here.
I wanted SMT, bro.
Cause this move is a little too clean. Yeah. Five minute, 3, 2.
700 psychological level.
Yeah, I think we dump here. If we don't hold this inversion, then GG's. They're going for the slow. I might take shorts on this 30-second with low size, since I am fighting the trend. Target would be here. Let's see how we react to it. Still holding this 5-minute auto block. 1 minute inversion held as well.
What is this, bro?
Tapping 30-second auto block. So if you're really weak, we should reject from here. Yeah, not too weak.
We're inversing the 30-second.
Like, I just don't have any target for long, bro. Especially after previous week's highs got taken out.
Yeah, what is this alert I have here? Oh, that's just another daily, a previous day high. Tuesday's high on ES. Tuesday's high, and then Monday's high. Basically, prior week high.
Take a shit and be back. Yo, what's up, Nikathon?
Chess.
Oh,
I haven't seen the chess message for a while, to be honest.
30-second.
I mean, honestly, this PA is fine because again, it's still trending up, right? This means we just wait for liquidity to be taken, or like really good invalidations. Also, this choppy move down, manipulation, and then clean move up, and then with more chop instead of the morning where it's just straight pump. I think that's a good sign as well. There's no way this doesn't.
15-minute candle opened up. So we're putting in a low. Rejecting the order block here. Or if you can come back down, sweep at least this low, tap this one and then go higher. That'll be really nice.
Models don't fail, I fail using them.
That's true.
I disagree with that.
No.
I mean, the 2022 model can fail. Like, it's not 100% win rate. I mean, he's failed with his model. Wait, we're gonna let this SMT, aren't we?
Rejecting auto block again.
He's talking about his loss. He went long in the AM. Wait, how did he take a loss going? I mean, unless he like entered like midway or yesterday. Oh yeah, yesterday was I mean, it's I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. Like I get what he's trying to say, but at the end of the day, it's like there's some things that you just can't control in the model, right? Like so, let's say we took weekly high, and then there's S&P. Like everything aligns up, right? There's a 2022 model tab, right? Like, and it fails. Like, is it because he doesn't know how to use them, or is it because again, it's just the market? Right?
It's because you're fighting the trend. You're so bullish on the higher time frames.
Yeah, but we've seen this like work out too. Again, like today, like the last time I think, well, aside from Monday, the last time that I signaled a 100-point play was literally the same thing. We were so bearish on all the higher time frames, but we had taken so much liquidity. SMT, basically the same fair value gap, and then we got caught 100 points. It was an inside day. Maybe if you drop down scale, you could have caught something. Drop time frames. Yeah, that's why I don't know. I don't like trading anything above the 3 minute. Like the I honestly I skip the 2 minute a lot of the time. Unless it's like the only gap, but the 1 minute and like the 3 minute is the max that I'll go.
I'm liking this consolidation here now.
Yeah, this is what I want to see.
Accumulation, manipulate lower, and then go higher.
You're making this LR too. I mean, also like the way he trades ICT, like he doesn't go break even pretty quick too. I've seen some of his like he waits for a long time. He does aim for those big moves. This LR is gonna get ran for sure.
Yo, it needs to take out the slow now. Okay, come on. Just a bit more. Take out this low. Bro is going to bed again.
KJ missed. Yeah, I did miss you. Man. There were some draw and liquidity plays you missed. $30 seconds, starting to consolidate. Down, up, down.
Yeah, so when I saw the chart, I was like, I missed the easiest setup. What setup? At the open, there's a setup.
No, I think it's talking about like internal, the internal draw and liquidity ones.
$21K, yeah. Let's see how Friday closes though. Come on, let's take. Okay, there's a low. Finally. 1 minute till this 5 minute closes.
Wow.
Bro, I don't know, I just don't trust this PA. After seeing a consolidation for the whole week.
That's why I said wow. Like, look at this. Wait, what the fuck was I watching? I accidentally changed my
What a
time frame.
lock.
This 30-second. So I was watching this 30-second, close below, close back above, close back below, create the order block, and then the dump starts, right? Takes out these lows, and then look at this, like, instant reaction up. Just insane.
But if we don't get an entry now, I'm gonna be pissed.
Elections. I think next week we'll get, like, if next week we literally don't, like, with all those red folder days, if we don't get any plays, like,
Then it's
I don't even
GG's.
know. I'll wait another week, and if the PA's just shit, I'm going back to work, guys. Fuck trading. Because the first week that this, like, PA started, I was like, guys, just be patient, this and that. But now I'm kind of getting annoyed, to be honest. I'm not gonna force a trade or anything, but it's also like, bro, like, we're sitting here, like, there's liquidity sweeps, and there's just no setup every day. I think what kind of made me more pissed off was yesterday that I didn't. I mean, I journaled it and everything, but like, it was right before lunch. Like, that was like the perfect A+ setup for me yesterday, but I didn't take it because it's before lunch. But what I journaled was like, before lunch is still the macro, right? So I should wait that extra 10, especially if AM was garbage. So it makes sense for PM to be good. Look at this shit, bro. Look at this. See, now I don't even trust shorts because we're just making this LR on NQ. And look at this manipulation. Like, wait, let me check. If someone were to take this 30-second, well, first of all, they would have gone stopped out. If they take the re-entry at like an order block, it's like 16 points. So 16-point dump, and then we inverse or reverse versus the pump that we had, which is like over, well over 100 points, right? So look at the difference. Like we don't even hit 50%. Like 50, a 50-point short on a trend day where it's bullish is good, right? But like 16, 17 points, like that's the average stop loss. So it's not that good. We're in this 30-second. 30-second above as well. 1 minute is, I don't know what 1 minute's doing. Are you looking for longs? No, I'm not. Every hour there's a silver bullet gem. Let's see.
This pump should have a pullback. Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. No, I was definitely looking for longs. Like this is the entry I said we have this 5 minute. Want to see it sweep below. He swept below, pushed higher, but I just want to see more of a pullback. Look at the hourly. So we had this bullish fair value gap. This candle opened up, put in a low, put in a high, consolidating. I think right before 11 we'll get a setup.
You don't have school today, right?
No.
Okay, yeah. Let's just keep streaming. So we get a fucking setup.
If we pull back, I'm gonna short it.
Yeah, I think this is the move now in versus 2 minute. Bro, what is this notification I keep? Fucking WhatsApp.
Okay, let's see the reaction here. Come on, take shorts. I got a 10-point stop. 12-point stop. I might take it off early if we start holding this. Because we are holding this 1 minute, so. Pretty much want to see a dump here. We should just dump through this. 20 points. Don't want to see this hold here. You can take partials when we take out this low. Stop is at break even. Above this 1 minute. Just want to see a dump here. Come on, just dump it. Yeah, put your stop at break even. I don't want to get stopped down a wick. So either we dump here, which I want to see, but if we start consolidating, then I'll just get stopped at break even. My entry at 666. Oh, we have a, bro, why didn't no one tell me? I hope we just dump here. If we start holding here, I'm gonna get out. My stop is at 650. Yeah, I'm gonna get out in 3, 2. Let's wait a little. Let's see if we hold this. We have this bullish SMT. That's the only thing. Okay, stop at 661s. It's either we dump here or we take a couple points and profit. Because we do have this bullish SMT, so. Just want to see this inversion hold and we just dump here. Should dump here. Okay, there you go. First, you can take partials. Bro, how do I fucking do this? Wow. Okay, I'm out. Why can't I not exit? Okay. GG's. Bro, I got the low of that too. Wait, I'm still in on my other two. Okay. Okay, I fucked up my executions a little. How many points was that? I got out at 623. 43 points right there. W's. But I could have made a little bit more. Who took that? Nice, KJ. Took it with 3 micros, nice. Yeah, need you. And again, we are fighting the trend, so we're not gonna hold for big moves, right? This is all you need. This, oh, macro just opened up as well. My entry was 666s. Yeah, 45 points. I was trying to take partials here, but I couldn't do the math in my head. Like, how many micros do I take out? Because that's copy trading like 3 accounts. It's alright though. That's how we do it, man. Stayed patient. Didn't chase longs here. Didn't chase longs here. This is the low I wanted. We got our setup, took it, and that's it. So up about 45 points. Now we wait again. Let's see if we find anything. Still holding that inverse. Okay. Thank you, brother. without doing. Bro, just hit flat all. I was actually so confused too. I wanted to take partials and I couldn't. But then we got this big drop. And then I took everything off at the low. Still in runners. We'll see what 11 a.m. does. We're tapping this 5-minute bearish order block. It's right above that, yeah. This 1 minute still holding. Kind of want to take a re-entry, honestly. Looking at the hourly, accept all these highs. Tapping the 5-minute order block as well. Like I wanted to leave a runner, but I just couldn't, bro. Nice.
Yeah, I caught it a bit late on my funded future, so I just trimmed full on there. I mean, I kind of misclicked it too, but on FTT, I think I caught it right away because I was on the phone. But I caught a nice move there.
Bro, I only took 2 micros. My entry was 666. 666.
Yeah, that's basically my entry on FTT, but my MFU entry was so bad. What was it?
I literally caught the bottom there right before we picked up.
Yeah, my funded future is like 650 something. Let's see. Wait, I could just check.
Still looking good for a downside. Oh, I forgot my FTT count. Let's see what happened. Oh yeah, that's gone. But uninstall Motivate.
That's garbage ass fuck. That would have been so much more if I got the right entry. 66. Basically another $200.
Yeah.
I'm just in a runner on FTT. The sad thing is I don't even care about these accounts.
Who are you watching in the background? Who are you guys hearing? I have ICT on the side, but he's muted. Is he even still live? Oh, it's paused. Oh, the guy talking is KJ. He's the analyst.
Wait, ICT was live?
Yeah, he was live. He's still live, I think. Yeah, he's still live.
Oh yeah, he is.
He's yapping about some PA from the morning. VIP chat. First day in a long time, came on green today. Ending the day with 2 new green milestone MFE count. Let's go. Opus. Fire. Did you take the same trade as us? Bro, I only got him 2 micros on my milestone account. Nice. W's. I'm only up 130 on my milestone accounts, but I'm up like 400 on my Tradify.
Yeah, I'd be up like 400 if I did get a shit fill on MFU.
Shorts are looking really good. 5 minutes to hold. I'm just gonna wait till 11. If we get one more manipulation up at 11, take out the side, I'll enter again.
Wait, what am I targeting? Well, actually, I'll just do 50%.
Short's looking really good here. But I don't want to get wicked out at 11, so let's wait.
I mean, low key, I might just hold this play till the end of the day, and it stops out.
End of the day? Bro.
Bro, for the Instagram.
It's not gonna go all the way down there. Look at a daily candle.
Guys, this will be our Instagram post. We called this out live. All the way to these equal lows. 300 points.
Nah. If we go, bro, I'll bet you $500 that we are not gonna take out these lows.
No, we're not gonna take them out. Like I expect a bounce at 50% and then consolidation. 590.
No more bets, bro. What do you mean?
Oh, yeah, you
I always pay you up, bro. Nah, we took it out, bro.
Literally, this guy said it's
okay, let's go. Alright, I'm watching these shorts now. We got 2 minutes till 11.
Wait, 50 points.
Don't like this consolidation.
Let me do the math here. 20, 30.
Bro, people took that trade and literally just left the live stream.
As they should, bro.
Okay, I guess, I mean.
They better use profits for. I mean, if
Oh,
you
yeah.
do the math, like if you buy the monthly, like you would just make your money back already.
Bro, you have made more money since you joined, like way more.
The 200, like when we open VIP, we open the tracker after that, and it's already up. I gotta do the math for today, but it's already up like 250, 240, something like that, right? Let's just say 200, right? Like that's your money back. Even if you trade with 1 micro, right? That's $400. Like there's really, you can't trade half a micro. I got stopped on my runner. You can't trade with half a micro, right? So even with 1 micro, it's $400. And the VIP was like $20 after the discount, right? So if you got in there, even if you pay the 50, like it's, again, guys, like the value is there, right? Like you guys if you're spending $50 on eval account and blowing them, like
Most of the people here have VIP, I think.
yeah,
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, let's kick everyone who doesn't.
Okay, still holding this 50-minute. Shorts now kind of look iffy. I'm just gonna sit on my hands.
Yeah, I'm kind of.
I hope you guys learned something. How we literally didn't take anything here in this big move up. Didn't short here. Didn't long here. Just waited for the right opportunity. And then we got this nice little 45-point move.
Honestly, I think.
Oh, I forgot. Wait, and actually, we are live on YouTube.
Yeah. I think we take out this low resistance liquidity.
Right now, it just look. I don't know. I can't tell. Do you SMT? No SMT. Big wick down. Yo, the green streak continues. How many days are we at? 39?
Yeah, 39.
Let's go. Okay, 15-minute candle looking. So we opened up, pushed higher. Hmm. 5-minute. Yeah, bro.
His rants are the best part.
Have you guys seen that meme? Oh, let me pull it up. It makes me laugh every single time. Pretty sure everyone has seen it. Oh yeah, this one here. This shit is actually so funny.
The opening
And it's
price
true too.
I actually enjoyed like the ICT mentorship.
Yeah, I know
don't
what
think
people
it
say
was-
is boring.
Yeah, I don't like when I first started. Of course, I was like, "Why is this guy talking so much?" And then, there was, I think it was on the second episode when he says, "If you guys want to make this work and you're unprofitable, you have to like unlearn everything you've learned and like just trust me." And then it kind of hit me there. I was like, "Okay, like clearly I'm not that profitable with like indicators and stuff. So I need to just like forget them." And then I kind of realized like, okay, this guy's like, I know why he makes it boring. He does it on purpose because he's not trying to give a handout, right?
Did you take that trade on your MFU account?
Yeah, I just got a worse entry.
Okay,
what did I
at least you took a trade on that account.
Yeah, I got a worse entry though, man. I could have made so much more. I could have made like 300 more, I think.
Are you getting FOMO? Let me pull up a video for you.
No, I don't have FOMO. I don't have FOMO.
Yes, you
'cause I
do,
watched
bro.
the
Just
video
say it,
trade.
bro.
I
Trying
have
to
FOMO,
market
man.
here.
I have
Hold
FOMO. What video should I watch?
Okay, give me a second. Hold on. Yeah, what's my YouTube channel called? Oh. Almost there. Hey, can you repeat that again, KJ?
I have FOMO. What video should I watch?
I got you, bro. There you go, bro. What the fuck is a thumbnail? Look at ICT just sitting in the corner. Oh, shit.
No, that's real, bro. That's actually ICT. Wow, this guy in the video sounds exactly like me.
That's a real ICT. I mean, that's him too, but he was way younger.
Old school album.
Yeah, starting to chop around. Kind of expected.
You guys, when I knew ICT was legit was when I think it was like a Twitter space. He was telling a story of trading and he literally just started like he broke down and he started crying, right? And then like of course you see like all these memes like, oh, ICT's crying and stuff, but like I just knew like, bro, this guy's been through so much pain and like now he has so much like confidence because he found like a model, right, that works for him. And like I was in that spot too, right? Like I was like why isn't this working? And like I had transitioned from like unprofitable to like slightly profitable with like the indicators and stuff, but again, it wasn't where I wanted to be. I was like, why are these indicators only netting me like $40 on like these options plays, right? When like other people can get like 300%, right? And then that's when I found ICT. So yeah, it was tough. Like I know, there's people who trade like supply and demand and stuff, and trust me, it's tough to like forget all that stuff, but ICT is just the way to go. Like supply and demand literally tells you this is supply and this is demand. Like there's no real entry point. Like you could literally just enter on the tab. You could enter in the middle. Like there's really no entry point. Like ICT tells you everything. And there's literally like 3, 4, maybe 5 or 6 like entry models, right? Like order blocks, FVG, IFVG, those like breaker blocks. Like there's so much stuff, like so many things you can do off it. And then it's really just up to you to decide, like, and back test, right?
Rejecting on 1 minute. Shorts are looking fire. Don't like this consolidation though. Okay.
Also, guys, that's why you need to be in the live. So like, you know, like the speed of the candles on this down move kind of signaled the shorts, whereas the other you know, like inverses and all that other stuff, like the speed to the downside was not as good. Like there was, and backtesting, like on FX replay or trading view, you won't get that speed. Like you're just clicking next. Are you gonna take another trade?
I'm looking for shorts here. Holding this.
Trade with like, I would, yeah, I'd enter maybe with like a micro or two on FTT. I think this 1 minute inverses. This stream, yeah, I appreciate that, bro. Even yesterday, like ICT took the same trade that I was talking about. I'm gonna watch his lectures as well. I honestly haven't been watching them. Okay, we're bouncing off of the 1 minute.
It's consolidating right now.
And then 1 minute right above, and there's this LR. I
Right.
mean, this LR is trapped retail traders. Broke above, and then right back down.
If I take a trade now, it's gonna be low size. Ooh, I wanted an entry. Okay. Missed it by 2 seconds, bro.
There's a 1 minute inverse. Oh wait, not a strong enough close, I don't think. Let's see. 646.75. It closed right on the tick. It's not really a close. Dropping material that's new to his charter students as well. Yeah, I mean, like, I'm gonna. Even
It's
though I
1
don't get
minute
how
holding
long,
up.
it's good to learn. And guys, literally this too is manipulation. So you see how it closed right to the tick? You know, someone who's kind of like having FOMO of not entering a trade, they're gonna enter this and then check later if it closed under, right? So even if it's not a strong close, they'll just enter and then now look, they get stopped out.
Back into this 1 minute.
Taking an invalid loss is worse than missing a trade. Always remember that. And by invalid, I mean like when you literally just shouldn't have entered, but you did it.
Okay, new 15 minute about to open up in a minute. $14 seconds. ES is pretty weak here.
Yeah, yes, it's definitely the weaker one. This could just be the stair step move down. Consolidation, move down, consolidation, move down.
Mm-hmm.
Take a break from the screen, getting tired. Yeah, see you, Mike. Oh, wait, fuck. I have an eye doctor appointment today.
But you've been watching the charts too much or what?
They actually noticed that. So I wear contacts, and like the longer you wear contacts, and if you're like staring at the screen and you're not blinking, I don't know, like you won't be able to tell if you like blink your eyes or look at it, but like in like the microscope they use, they can tell if there's like protein buildup on your contacts, and they noticed it.
Bro, they're gonna find a fair value gap in your eye.
You're gonna see ICT, like the face just embedded in there.
Ooh.
But no, they told me to. They said I need to like actually start wearing glasses if at home and stuff, even though I hate glasses. They found this. That's my pupils, bro.
His eye's gonna get inversed. Oh, my bad. 1 sec. Consolidation.
Cause I literally wear my contacts all day. I swap them out every month, but again, like I guess you just can't wear them that long. Like I've noticed no issues, but I don't know. Like when the eye doctor tells you shouldn't be doing it, like I should just listen.
Too much consolidation now.
I want you to check the 1042 2-minute chart on ES and NQ, and go back to what I said about you want them to, like the indices to be moving at the same rate. Do you see how the 9 or the 10 o'clock 2-minute closed below and then closed back above when ES was still bouncing off its 2-minute, right? Whereas the 1042 it closes 2-minute on NQ and then it closes the 2-minute on ES at the same time. Basically the same, right? Like order block, close below, and then we get this big dump. That's why I took it on MFU. But like again, I don't know. I got filled so bad, bro. I got filled at like 50s. That's literally like 10 points I missed out. Yeah, because my first.
Are you having FOMO?
My first target was 25 points alone, so that was 50. That'd be 100 there, and then my second target was the end of this, so 40. Actually, I would have made this same. Yeah, because I think I just went break even because I got a bad fill. Anyways, but yeah, same thing. Like that was basically the play that I would have taken. It's on the fucking phone, bro. Yo, do you ever get those like scammer calls?
Hella.
Like those guys from India, bro. These guys will be like, "My name is Anthony from Paris."
My name is KJ from Canada. Shit is crazy.
That's the next one you're gonna hear. We're selling a premium Discord.
Oh, these shorts look fire, but I don't like this chop.
But yeah, and anyone watching the stream, like if you're not in the premium, and you're like struggling as a trader, or you're not profitable yet, or you just want like kind of like education, or like even just like mentorship, right? And a good community, like I would recommend joining. Again, you don't have to, like there's enough live streams and stuff where you could learn it, but you know, the live stream is just daily education. Like you're gonna see this over and over. Like I don't even know how many times I've said the same thing about the indices moving at the same time, and you know the gaps closing at the same time. And but the thing is, it gets embedded into your brain, right? So yeah, I would recommend joining. Wait, I actually didn't lose. I got a bad fill, but I didn't lose out on much because this wick where it bounced, I wouldn't have trimmed at the bottom of it. Actually, I think my first trim was this low, 613. So I would have taken 100 here, and then 613 is 50 points. That's what I've taken 2 off, 200, 250, 300.
Don't trade this chop now if you missed out on the move before.
Yeah, no, this is just garbage right now.
I think the next possible play is gonna be right before lunch in the macro.
Yeah.
I think think we're just building all these lows here, all this generator sell side. Oh, if NQ takes out this high SMT with all these lows.
Yeah, ES is just dumping. I mean, ES is about to take out that low that we bounced off of too.
YM is dumping. It should dump here. Dumpity dumpity dump it. Okay, only thing now is SMT at the lows. I still think we're gonna dump.
Yeah, we still have that weekly SMT. ICT, yeah, that's what I was saying yesterday. Like, I'm pretty sure it was like some like odd time, like 11:30 to 1:30. Cause I had it written somewhere. I just don't remember if it was like 12:30. Yo, trading PM? No, not now, bro. I already made money. Again, like even if I got a bad fill on one of the accounts, like the trade paid out. I'm not gonna try to trade for that extra $100 I missed out on. Just call it a day. Go into the weekend with, you know, no red days this week. Up on all my accounts. I don't know if you guys saw. I don't know where I posted it. Maybe in Free Alerts Education. Yeah, in Free Alerts Education, I literally posted like, you know, there's been times where I was unfunded and like the first trade is a loss, and then I try to full port to get it back because I think like, oh my god, like my account's at a loss, right? And it's literally like $200 loss. So what happened on this eval was I forgot, like I was up like $600, right? And I forgot like an order or something. And it was weird because on one of my evals I got a gain, and on the other one it was a loss. So on the one that it was a loss, I was down. I think the drawdown was at like 49.2 or 3, I think. So I had about, I don't know, 2,000 left, and literally all I did was I was like, okay, I'm gonna risk like 150, literally like 3 micros, and I just made it all back. So today I sized up to like 5 micros. But yeah, guys, that's literally all. Because I knew, I was like, okay, like $2,000. What I thought about it was like, okay, like it's a 50K account, right? So I'm like, okay, it's not a 25K account, so the drawdown's still double. Like, why don't I just risk the same that I would on a 25K and just make it back slowly? Because I know the model works. Like, I made it all back in versus. No, was I always like this? Hell no, bro. If my first trade on funded was a loss, I still remember this when I passed 7 Apex accounts. I copy traded 2 of them. The first trade was like $150 loss, and for some reason I was like, hey, let me just like full port some minis and make this back, and then I'll be done for the day. that second trade blew my account because the second trade fed the third trade, the fourth. Like I just started going on tilt, right? So it's just not worth. Like just eat the loss and move on.
no entry, but the shorts were really nice.
Yeah, I mean, other than that SMT, the fact that that low that we created is basically bouncing out of nowhere really didn't take that much liquidity, I would say. It looks valid, especially to 50%.
I'm in
Not
shorts.
gonna
I'm risking 9 points. And I took 2 micros on these, so pretty much half size.
Yeah, I think this 1 minute's gonna close below with the order.
Okay, stop is already at break even. Pretty much want to see this candle go, or we can stop that break even. Want to see a close blow here.
It's close.
Up about 12 points. Want to see all these lows get ran through. Can't stop at break even. I know my PT. Okay, wow. All right. Ooh, 20 points there if you take partials or anything.
Wait, what was your entry?
This one we opened up this candle. Come on, just dump it.
I didn't get that entry. I only took this on FTT.
You're up 22 points. You can take partials. You know, I'm gonna take one off because of this wick, the CE. I'll take one off. $24 points. There you go. 25 points. Once you just dump through all this.
Yeah, 1 minute close order blow is going. Should go to at least 598. Take this low, then 50% of the range. I don't know, honestly, how lower we go after that.
Got 23 points on my first fill. Second, my stop is just above this auto block at 46 on my last contract. And okay, stop that. Break even on the last contract. So the CE held, that's why I took my partial here.
Tapping this order block in this 1 minute. Yes, it's really weak.
So the lowest we went with 27. I got filled at 24 and then stopped at break even. This auto block can still hold.
Inverse the 1 minute. But we're tapping into this inverse and then the aura block as well here, so. And we didn't take out that low.
Wait, so how many points are we gonna count that as?
That's what I was just gonna ask you. How many points was the first? I don't really.
24 points on the first contract, and the second one got stopped in profit 9 points.
Okay, so 24 is 33. 33, 60. So it counted as like 30 points.
Wait, what? The fuck? Sky high or something? How was it 30, bro? I got stopped at 20. I mean, I took partials at 24, right?
Yeah.
The last contract got stopped in profit in only 10 points. So it came back up.
Points.
So you're not
So
supposed to
30.
add.
No, wait. So 33 point. Wait, 24 points on the first one, and then 10 on the after that.
Yeah, 9 or 10 on it, I guess.
Okay, and then so that's 34 points. So with 2 micros, that's like $70, right?
What? Bro. Huh?
I'll do the math. Don't worry about it. Wait, why is it view only? Oh, okay.
Bro, it's confused. Exactly, bro. Hold on. 24 points, right? On my first contract. And then... Okay, I can't do fucking math, bro.
24 and then 10, so 34 points.
Oh, you're actually right. You're actually right. Oh, you're actually smart. I thought you were dumb as fuck, but you're actually smart.
Oh, good one. This says the guy who doesn't know percentages yet. Go back to grade 3.
Bro, ask me anything right now. I'll answer you.
What percent is 76 out of 100?
76 out of 100? 76. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, I searched that up.
No.
Oh,
No,
look
bro.
at this shit. Look at this shit.
No, bro. No, you know what's funny, bro?
I know it's so easy, but I don't know why the
No,
fuck
no,
I
no.
searched it up.
No, that's not even the funny. The funny part is, as soon as you repeated it, the question, I just knew. I was like, okay, this guy just.
I don't know why I searched it up, bro. Oh, fuck, hell no. You're wondering if you guys normally show executions. I'm copy trading, so I can't trade on TradingView. But I'll draw out the risk to reward tool and tell you guys when I enter.
Yeah, another thing is, Trollboy, like, so a lot of firms, if you show your executions on screen, and you know they find out or something, they'll basically just deny your payout, and because you break like the rule, basically, it's like a major rule. Like they'll literally just like fuck your account and ban you. It happened to like a streamer that I know. So I think Top Step is the only one that doesn't, and again, like that's because they can't, because they also show their executions, right? So, but any other firm, Apex, MFU, like they're strict on that. Like they don't want you live streaming your execution. And like again, like it would take for someone to either join or like literally just snitch on us. But again, like why would we risk it, right? The alerts are clear. It's literally I'm in shorts, I'm in thing, right? And if it's eval play, like we'll mention it.
And I
all
draw.
our alerts,
You're good.
all our alerts are literally this, like if we're in eval, if we're gonna be in eval, we'll say it way before, right? And then even the second alert, like he said, like he's gonna be like 1 or 2 micros, right? So I personally just took it with 1 micro and then I got stopped out.
Stopped out.
and
You didn't.
profit,
Okay.
profit.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't trim. And then yeah, like so the alerts will be clear, right? Like that's what we kind of aim for is the alert. It's either we're in or we're not. It's not gonna be, guys, like I took this 1 minute. Because there's been days where I've traded on the side and then I don't alert anything because I don't think it's worth alerting. And then I'll never say like, yeah guys, I took this, you know, on the side. Like I'm not trying to give you guys FOMO, just so I could like stroke my ego, right? Like which you'll see in a lot of Discord. You'll see this, like they won't be in anything until it works out and then magically they're in something. How many points was the first play?
44 to 45. I mean, 45 is pretty close to 50, and 50 is close to 70, and 70 is close to 100.
Yeah.
Something.
I'm not gonna do. Let me see.
Let's round it to 100 then.
I'm gonna do 40. Because 45 is like right there. Bro, where is this fucking 40? So we're up 94 on the week. Or no, not 94. Basically 100 on the week.
I'm up another 32 from the play I took, but I couldn't alert it. Okay, on a week like this where we only moved for 1 day, that's really good.
Yeah.
Like this move down was in the afternoon, but look at Monday didn't do anything, Tuesday didn't do anything, Wednesday AM didn't do anything, PM dumped. Yesterday we chopped around so much. Today's the only day we actually kind of moved.
So since we've started the tracker, in October we're up 349 points. And so anyone who's not in the VIP, the tracker does include losses. Like if you guys were to go in, it includes all the losses and stuff that we've alerted. And this is literally only like alerts. Like there's text alerts in here that are breaking out, right? So we know not everyone can take those text alerts. If you were to include those, it's up 391 points. But if you just exclude those and if you just attend the live streams and literally just signal bot, you'd be up like 349 points. That's assuming you trim when we say trim and break even when we say break even, right? But unless you're trimming at like literally 5 points, you should at least be up, I would say, like 250 points. Like I understand like some people probably trimmed at like, what is this low here, at 25 points, so 25 out of the 40 points that we're kind of counting. But yeah, like again, we try to make it as transparent as we can. And you guys see this live time, right? Like this play right here, the wick is 45 points, and I was like, I don't think anyone's really gonna trim at 45. Like let's just make it 40, right? So
Wait, Steph, do you have any account right now that you're trading? I think she's, never mind, she said she's not trading until election or something.
yeah. And guys, if you're in the Discord, which you should be.
No, right now, yeah. You didn't really miss out on much this week. Terrible week. We're still up. Evals, I like to trade heavy sides on them. It's because I have so many funded accounts. I don't like to trade them for too long. I'll probably just pass them like 2-3 days, max 3 days. Usually 1 to 2 days. Like I'll enter one mini and then, so let's just say the trade we took, or actually let's look at this example. So I wanted to take shorts here, but I didn't like the chop. I would take one mini here, and then when we got this move down, pulled back, I'll take another one here, pulled back, another one here, and then I'll probably pass the account by the time we get here. And I'll keep on trailing my stop loss.
Still got a week left, bro. October. We could literally hit 500 points if next week is good. Wait, October actually has this. Yeah, I'll just...
Give me permissions. KJ. Bro, that was so close. Oh shit, bro. Hey, we're live on YouTube too. Holy shit. I can't even talk in my channel. Oh.
Troll boy, I would also mention that like it depends like if you're profitable, right? Like if you're profitable, you don't even need the evals anymore. You just go buy like the instant funded, because you know you'll make it back with your model, right? If you're on the verge of like profitability, like let's say you're, man, I can't give the example because it would be giving away something, but let's say you're on like the verge of profitability and you're just signal botting, you know, you could still buy the instant funded, right? Because you could signal bot and make money, and then still learn on the side, right? Like you could see why we took the plays. So yeah. Wait, I'm gonna go in the YouTube chat.
Are we still live on YouTube? I forgot.
I don't know.
Yeah, we are. I don't think anyone's watching.
Yeah,
Can
I
I-
mean, this week was tough, bro. Like, you know, you used to have an edge, but this week just, yeah, like this week is really tough. This week is literally what makes you a good trader, because the traders who are fine, like missing these, not even missing these moves, but like just not trading, you know, and they're not blowing their accounts, you know, that's what makes you a stronger trader, because you start to realize, like, wait, like look at us for an example. Monday, Tuesday, and yesterday, literally no alerts, right? But 100 points on the week, right? So if you do the math with like one mini,
2K.
yeah, that's 2K, right? And even if you extract, or if you take out the like the trims and stuff, because with one mini you can't trim, they still smashed to the TP, right? So like the first trim, if you literally just took out, was for 25 points, right? And then on the second trade, it was, I think, like 25 again, or 35 or something like that. So again, like you'll make the money back with just one mini. So this is all you need. But the problem, what happens is, people trade on Monday, they'll trade on Tuesday, and then they'll take like 20-point loss here, 20-point loss there. They might take another 20 points on Thursday, right? Trading on their own. So now they're down 60 points. So instead of being up 100 points, you're only up 40 now, right? And then sometimes what happens is that 20 points it becomes like 100 on one day. You'll just blow your account, or you're like go into like the daily loss limit. And then again, like that's just something we can't control, right? Like what we can control is giving you guys clear signals and education, and being there for you guys. Like, you know, there's support tickets that you can open. They're open to everyone, right? So, you know, you could DM us if you prefer that. Like, there's just so much support that we can give. Honestly, think if I should ask you guys for opinion prior to me entering a trade.
You can, but you need confidence in your model if you want to become profitable.
Because if you tell me you're entering off like an order block, like I could tell you yes, but I can't confidently tell you yes because I don't trade order blocks, right? And then similar thing, if you're entering off of like a FVG tap, like I literally, like I know they work, and I know there's a model behind it, but I don't trade them, right? Like I trade the inverse. So the first alert that Fearless gave, wait, why did you alert that? Do you know why?
What?
Was it like a FVG tap or something? The first alert.
The first one was an FVG and order block.
Okay, so I'll give you this is literally the perfect example. So that 2-minute that I was talking about at 10:20, that's the reason I entered on my MFU accounts, because he alerted, and then I quickly looked at the chart, and I was like, wait, the 2-minute just inverse. And then I entered right away, because again, like I enter off of the inverse always, right? FCT is the only account that I'll take the signals, and then I won't enter off inverses, but like on my MFU account, I only enter if there's an inverse, right? So that's what I'm saying. It's kind of a gray area. Like you could ask for our opinion, but at the end of the day, like if you trade our model, which like clearly is profitable and easy enough to learn, especially if you know ICT, it's just better, because then you could just literally just trade with us, right? Used to use SM. Yeah, exactly. Like look, like he literally just said FVG tap and order block tap, and then I don't trade order blocks, I don't trade FVG taps, I only trade IFVG, and we got the same entry. Like 666 was his entry, and 666 is the IFVG entry. Right? So the only bad thing is like I entered on FTT and it started dumping, and then I quickly entered on MFU, so I got a little bit worse of an entry. But that's fine, right? Like at the end of the day, it's literally the same entry. Like if you miss something, you miss something, right? Like I sized down, and then I took trims later to kind of make up for it. At most, the good thing about us trading like this, like me, IFVGs, and Fearless with kind of everything, like IFVGs, order blocks and stuff, is we're usually in the trade at the same time, no matter what. So it's like if we take a loss, like it's two traders that are going to take a loss together, and then you guys are with us too, right? So
Taking you guys with us.
yeah, we're taking you down with us. You think the 11-11 IFGD with SMT at the top is a bad play? 11-11. On the 1 minute, we all lose together. What a family. That 1 minute, right? Is that what you're talking about? Yeah, so if you actually draw out that that gap, I talked about this on the stream. That gap, the close is 645.75, right? And then the close of that candle is 645.75. So what's gonna happen is someone who hasn't taken a play, and I'm speaking from experience here, right? So someone who hasn't taken a play, who's missed the move, right? What they're gonna do is they're gonna quickly enter that because it looks like a close, but in reality, once you really zoom in and like check where it closed, it literally closed on the tick, right? So you want to close below. You want a bit of a stronger close below that. So again, like it's invalidated now. Is the 1 minute after, like the 1 minute close after that valid? Yeah, because that's literally like what we that would be like an alert too. Like the second alert was around there. As soon as the 1 minute closed, you could have entered there, and then it was up 10 points, and then you could kind of decide like, okay, like am I gonna put my stop above the order block? If you did above the order block, so 18 point stop, your first break even target would literally be that low, or you could trim there for like a 1-to-1. And that's what I'll say with IFVG model. It's the win rate is so high that you can take 1-to-1 risk and reward. So yeah, that one that you said, yeah, it's invalid at 11:11. It's valid at 10:20 or 11:28. And look, so you see how we took this internal low, and then we had a 1 minute inverse to the upside, but look where we rejected. We rejected the top of this order block that was created. So some people will see this and they'll be like, okay, like this internal low got taken, this inverse, and they'll take a deeper like retrace entry, which is fine, right? Because the inverse only invalidates when it's closed over. That's really when it invalidates. But yeah, there's literally, I've been in all these discords, like IFEG discords. I've been in like ICT discords. You're not gonna find one where there's like two analysts that enter with both, like all the ICT models.
IFVG discords.
11:28 plays valid because it closes more below. Yeah, because the 11:11 didn't close below, right? It closed right at the bottom of the FVG, like literally at the 645.75. If you look at the close of that candle, it's 645.75. You want it to close below, right? And the second one is way better because again, there's an order block. I don't enter off of order blocks, but I look at them and I know like, okay, like this is an order block. So like in hindsight, like literally on the FTT account, I could have held instead of stopping out at break even, but I didn't because I don't know. You guys will find out maybe next month why.
Interesting.
It's so tempting to just say it, bro.
Yeah, I mean for you, but I mean all you have to do is update that tracker.
Wait, that's a good reminder. I need to update that one. Yeah, if you're learning like IFVGs, like we got you on that, bro. It's really not that hard. It's literally liquidity sweep, and then you wait for IFVG, right? And what I'll tell you is you need to watch the charts every day and keep paper trading IFVGs. Like if you have the time to paper trade them all day, like until a market close, like do it. And only paper trade the A+ ones. 11:35 is not valid as there's no liquidity sweep. 11:35. 11:35. Um,
Bro, there's oh my fucking god.
the 11:35 one is it's a continuation of the one that inversed at 11:28, right? So this would be like a pyramid right here. So if you were in off the order block tap, right, or like the retest of the IFVG, let's say with like 1 micro, because again, like you're risking that we took liquidity at 10:57, and now we inversed up. You're literally risking that we go back up and take 6:55, right? So those highs and tap into that gap. So if you were to enter with 1 micro there with low risk, the one that you mentioned, 11:35, that's like a pyramid entry where you could add another contract and then just go break even until that low hits, right? So with IVGs, you want to see liquidity sweep. You want to see, are we delivering off of anything? So sometimes it's literally just the liquidity sweep that we're delivering off of, right? Sometimes it's a liquidity sweep, like a 1 hour high that's in like another 1 hour fair value gap. So delivery, and then you want to see, where are we delivering to? Like, do we have a clear low? Of course we do. The first move down, we literally bounced off of a 1 minute, and the only clear liquidity that we took was 1018. And so, that's a really good low to target, because the move up, again, like, did we really take any liquidity? No, we just bounced off this low resistance liquidity trend, which is still intact. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 taps on this, depending on how you draw it, right? 9 taps on this low resistance liquidity line.
Yo, the New York Stock Exchange today announced plans to extend trading to 22 hours a day from 1:30 a.m. to 11:30 p.m.
24-hour live stream.
Wait, 1:30? Huh? 1:30
Wait,
a.m.
how many hours is it now?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. 1:30 a.m.
Because I know it closes for like two hours.
Oh, the New York stock. Okay. So I guess, wait. Oh, the stocks, not the futures. Okay, that makes more sense.
I don't like that. Yeah, I don't like that either. It might just mess up everything.
Yeah, I mean, I can post a screenshot.
That's why IFVGs are also tough, because
Or options.
again, it's hard to see like which IFVG.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure because you trade options on the stock, right? 1:30 a.m. What time does New York Stock Exchange open?
Two-hour break, yeah.
Nvidia
Trollboy,
is
Go
that
ahead.
no? No, just reading some news. My bad.
Okay. Trollboy, if you ever have any like IFVG questions, like you can just DM me. It doesn't matter if you're in the premium or not.
Wait, Lau, did you catch anything? Of course. This guy.
That's why you don't wake, bro. That's why I always say, even if he is shit, like trust me, wake up, like wake up and show up, and you'll see the results. Yeah, no problem, buddy.
Buddy.
He's my buddy now. Fucking IFVG buddy.
Imagine trading IFVGs.
Didn't you trade him yesterday or the day before?
No, I haven't traded them this week.
Bro, when are we gonna get ICT on the stream? I might email him, to be honest.
Bro, we have like 2 people watching our stream, bro. We used to have 30. I don't know what. I'm probably doing something wrong, but I'm not really focused on YouTube, so.
It's probably the algorithm, and also like they've caught 2 alerts. And
Oh yeah, I wasn't even checking my YouTube chat at all.
do you guys do back? Yeah, we do charting sessions. Back testing sessions. I mean, I can do that if you want it. Like with IFVGs, like I'll kind of show you how I back test. What I will say is back testing IFVGs is you'll get a less win rate because you need to see the speed of the candle. Like, you know, if the model does depend on speed, right? So IFVGs, I'm sure you've seen it on YouTube. Everyone says like the speed does matter, like how the candle closes and how the delivery is, like it matters a lot. Another thing is with backtesting, it's kind of hard to note like SMTs and all that other stuff because it's just like a hassle to like align the charts and all that stuff. So
Not with FX replay. The fuck,
no, I haven't been using FX replay for a while, to be honest.
bro. I don't remember the last time I used it. Backtest
I
is
don't
so hard last year. Shit was crazy.
The only thing I do now is I'll just paper trade because I have the time to. Like, you know, forward testing is much better than back testing. Back testing is literally, I mean, honestly, Trollboy, the best thing that you can do is go back to Monday and then just back test the week. You don't need to go back in like some random period, right? And then write down the news for like what time the news was and stuff like that. Like, don't trade before red folder, and then back test.
But then you know what's gonna happen though. You already know what the week did.
Yeah, but like, I don't know. I still
Exactly. FX replay.
feel better. No, bro, fuck FX replay.
Man.
You need to see the speed. Like even when you see the moves up, like let's say you knew that, like let's say you knew this dump was coming, but you didn't catch it. You know, when you backtest this, you know a dump is coming. So now your job is to see, okay, where is the real entry? Now the real entry was literally this 2 minute at what was it? 10:43. Wait, no, wait, hold on. That's the 1 minute chart. 10:42, the 2 minute. You know, that's literally the inverse model getting played out. Right now, is this an A plus setup? No, and the reason that it's not A plus is because of this low resistance liquidity, which is a confluence for bullish. Right, so it's not A plus, but it's like A. It's really close to A plus, and that's because ES closed the 2 minute at the same time. You know, we've literally pumped all day. The Judas swing, that's on our side. It's after 10 a.m. so we're in reversal. We're in deep premiums. We've
Very
hit
deep.
four of the standard deviation of the Asia range. So everything else aligns. It's just low resistance liquidity that doesn't align. And you could argue it's A plus is because the low resistance liquidity only has 3 taps, and it's literally happening in premium. So you could actually ignore this low resistance liquidity because it could literally just build up all day, and then we'll get like that 150 macro pump. So yeah. Wait, hold on, I'll be right back.
Wait, Lee, did you cap both the shorts? The first one and the second one? We can probably end the stream here. It's 9.
I don't. Do you go over IFVGs in the charting session?
No, I barely trade them.
Okay. I mean, Trollboy, I'm working on like some IFVG videos. They'll probably be out by like next week before I go on vacation. So those are probably the best. And then yeah, you could just DM me. Like I'll DM you like setups because I'll go through the week, and then we could even set up like a charting session. Cause yeah, trust me, when I learned that model, I didn't understand. Like, I was like, well, like, how is everyone else making money with this and I'm not? And it was literally because I was just trying to take every IFVG. But you really have to wait for everything to line up. And what I will say is, it's a model where you need to watch the charts. Like, you need to be watching every time frame and looking. But like, that's why the win rate is so high, is because you're so, it's like laser focus.
We only traded 2 days this week, right?
Yeah.
Just like last week. I think last week we only traded 2 days too.
I mean, I think you would have alerted Monday. I think you would have alerted. Monday was actually pretty clean.
Yeah,
I just-
so 2 days last week, 2 days this week. We're doing really good with this PA.
Yeah, there's Discords right now who aren't even trading live because of the presidential election. Which, I mean, like, I understand it, right? So. Bro, who are you voting for?
Obama.